Okay, folks, so I wanted to show you Harbor Heritage Yacht Club. I've never seen it in the daylight because I always come in at night and I leave before it gets light in the morning. So just gonna show it to you. Day 2 Nordic tug delivery. So folks, I'm gonna fill the water tanks up on this boat, get it ready. We just talked to the lock, and the lock said it's gonna be a couple of hours before you can get through there. So we just call them and the Starved lock and keep calling them, and supposed to call back about 8 o'clock, so we should be able to get out of here about, I don't know, 8:30, 9 o'clock. Or probably about 9:30 this morning. Okay, so you folks that have never seen a 37 Nordic, the owners went by and went over and took a shower this morning as we're waiting for the lock to clear. I'll take you on a little tour. So this is the main salon right here of the 37. See, you got a nice kitchen right here, full, not a full size, but a nice size refrigerator, freezer down below. This boat happens to be in pretty decent shape. This is almost the shape that, this is the shape they picked it up in. And then you walk up here, and then this is where we drive the boat from. You can see right here. Just wonderful. And it, you know, these seats come out. Well, this seat comes out right here. It'll come forward if we need it to. And then you have a footstep down there. You see the helm right here. And then you come down forward. Sorry, I didn't make my bed this morning. And this is the master V berth right here. So you see a walk around queen right here. It's really, really nice. Lots of storage and lots of closet space. And then this is the room that I'm staying in. Now usually this will be a double bunk. There'll be a bunk bed right here and this berth right here. Sorry that I didn't make my bed, I should have. And then over here on this side, we'll have a head with a full shower. Nice size shower. So I'll give you a little tour here before we take off this morning. But we'll keep an eye on that battery, and like when it gets half down, we'll first big tow of the morning. So he's coming out of the Starved lock. We got, you can see you got a boat here, boat right beside us. Boat coming up, and there's 2 more coming up on the back. So what they're going to do is raft us up. It'll take a little while to get through this lock this morning. A decent sized push or tow. much on his run to Peoria, but this is a little hideaway right here, Henry Marina. Looks like they have everything to us. We're just outside of Peoria, Illinois. All right, folks, so today we're heading into the Ivy Boat Club. You guys have seen us come in here several times actually now. How's your depth looking? Okay, it's gonna stay, it's gonna be shallow coming in. Once you get over this hump though, then it'll get back down to about 7 feet. Yeah, just right down the center right here. You keep going straight right here. Now it's going to get very tight in here very quickly after we make this corner. So you got your thruster on. Okay. All right, folks, so we're at Ivy Yacht Club tonight. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and we will see what happens tomorrow morning. I did the calculations, and we should be at Green Turtle Bay, if everything goes very, very smooth, Friday or Saturday.